The Rudraksh are being set up for the stage for Mahashivratri to be consecrated by Sadhguru.
Over the last 3 years, we've been successfully been able to dispatch around close to 1 crore and 20 lakhs Rudrakshas.
Rudraksh Diksha 2024 behind the scenes. As you can see, I am just near Adiyogi. And behind me are these sacks in which there are Rudraksh, which will be consecrated by Sadhguru on the night of Mahashivratri. Soon this Rudraksh will be offloaded just near Adiyogi. So why Rudraksh that are offered as Rudraksh Diksha are unique? First of all, the Rudraksh that are offered as Rudraksh Diksha, they are been selected from the Himalayan regions and specially authentic check has been done for the Rudraksh for its authenticity. As you can see behind me, the volunteers of Rudraksh Diksha, they are offloading the Rudraksh kept from the warehouse and bringing it to Adiyogi. As you can see behind me, the Rudraksh are being set up for the stage for Mahashivratri to be consecrated by Sadhguru. These are approximately 4 million Rudraksh that will be consecrated in presence of Adiyogi on Mahashivratri by Sadhguru. Namaskaram, we have Tirthesha Anna with us.
Namaskaram.
He is the one who is handling this Rudraksh Diksha and volunteering for this since years. So we will ask Tirthesha Anna to throw some shadow on what is 2024 Rudraksh Diksha.
Thank you, Anna. Namaskaram. So, 2024 happens to be the 4th year now as we enter into the Rudraksha Diksha process. Over the last 3 years, we've been successfully been able to dispatch around close to 1 crore and 20 lakhs Rudrakshas to seekers who have registered on the Rudraksha Diksha portal. It's been a very humbling experience because the way it started and the way Rudraksha Diksha process has grown today over the years, working along with people who are behind the scenes who give more than 100% to make this process a success in terms of having the Rudrakshas reaching the devotees who register is immense to see them throwing themselves into the process. One attribute which I would like to touch upon and request all the people who are trying to register for Rudraksha Diksha is that please mention correct address while you register for Rudraksha Diksha, because all such huge volume of couriers, if it has to reach you, unless and until your addresses are perfect, it is difficult. And we every year face situations where lakhs of packets come back to us. We have to reach back to the people and then we redispatch it, which is a time consuming process. After registration, you also have to wait for such a long time. So only humble request is, if the registered address is perfect, then the courier has to reach you. Happy Mahashivratri. Namaskaram.